Dear students, my greetings to you all. I take this opportunity to welcome you to this series of lectures in the discipline Russian Studies. Let me introduce the members of our team and myself. I am Professor Debal Dasgupta from the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, Vadodara, the principal investigator and coordinator for this course. While the content contributors are Professor Shankar Basu and Dr. Indira Musaeva, formerly from the Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, the lectures in this series have been presented by Ms. Natalia Ignacheva from the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. The first course from the entire structure of papers has been titled Russian Literature of the 19th Century, PROSE. Spread over 35 modules, the topics are organized logically to cover all major aspects of the prosaic works of the golden period of Russian literature. We begin with works of Alexander Sergeyevich Pushkin, the father of modern Russian literature. His works made a great impact not only in his own country Russia, but also in the entire realm of world literature. His works from the cycle Tales of Ivan Belkin, as you may be aware of, made a great debut in terms of making the common man occupy the center stage as the hero. We shall see in the lectures how this so-called common man's character evolved through the ages of literary growth. Other authors discussed at length are Mikhail Lermontov, Nikolai Gogol, Ivan Goncharov, Ivan Turgenev, Fyodor Dostoevsky, Lev Tolstoy, and Anton Chekhov. Famous works like The Station Master, The Queen of Spades, The Captain's Daughter, A Hero of Our Times, The Petersburg Tales, and a few to name the list of works that make the contents for this case study. The course has been designed to have parity with syllabi of those at national and international levels. Much care has been taken to maintain clarity and lucidity so that listeners understand the target language speech easily, especially as it is accompanied with a complete transcription of the lectures. It is expected that aspirants desirous of joining this program as a whole or selecting some courses as a part of one's PG program of studies in any other institution should have the minimum knowledge of Russian language and literature equivalent to that of BA with Russian or a graduation degree in any other subject along with a minimum of 2 years of diploma in Russian or equivalent qualification from a recognized academic institution. The objectives are to impart knowledge in the discipline at post-graduation level. It is also expected that students having completed the course will not only be aware of the major works of the period, but should also be able to develop an analytical mind to critically examine the works of literature which are covered under the syllabus. They should also be able to understand the works which have been suggested additionally in the assignment sections. To conclude this short overview for the course, I should like to acknowledge that most of the illustrations incorporated into the discussions have been drawn by our own students from the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda.